Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the theater setup. Setting up the theater will allow the user to customize the theater to their preference and how theater bookings display on a diary, and to set up forms that will automatically be added to the theater when the booking is made. Theater bookings will show the practitioner what bookings have been made on a diary for the theater and which patients are being operated on. Time slots will be marked to show the practitioner is at the hospital, in the theater, and not at the practice. Diary settings are set per diary to customize the program to the specific needs of the practitioner in the practice. If a practice has multiple diaries, every diary and the diary setting needs to be set up for that specific practitioner's needs. From the diary screen, proceed and click on the settings icon located on the navigation bar. The settings screen will open. Click on the Diary Settings tab. Please ensure that the user is on the correct diary if the practice has multiple diaries before enabling the theater settings. Click on the Theater Setup panel to expand the settings. The Theater Setup panel will expand. Activate theater bookings on a diary will allow the practitioner to set up and use the theater manager. Tick the checkbox to enable the theater bookings. Type of practitioner that will be using the theater list is the kind of practitioner that will be using the theater list. Click on the Select Practitioner Type drop-down menu to select the type of practitioner that will be using the theater manager. Select an option from the list that has become available. Surgeon is a specialist practitioner that performs surgery on patients. For an extensive explanation on billing a patient, please refer to the Invoice Screen user manual linked in this video's description. Anesthesiologist is a specialist practitioner who administers and monitors anesthesia during surgery. For an extensive explanation of the theater manager, please refer to the Theater Manager Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Hospital is a medical facility where patients go for surgery and receive pre- and post-operative care to recover. Color of time slots to indicate theater list on the diary allows the user to set a color that the practitioner will use to indicate the theater bookings on the diary. Click on the color field to change the color. The color selector will open. One of the following methods can be used to select a color. Click on a color on the color bar. Click on a desired color to make a selection. Click on the dropper and navigate to the color of choice to select it. The dropper tool can be used to select any color on the screen. The RGB color codes can be entered, if known, into their respective fields by clicking on the field to input the code. Press enter on the keyboard to use the selected color. The desired color will fill the block. Show Operation Progress on Diary will display the progress on the diary, such as the cost estimate, patient consent, authorization, custom forms, etc. that has been completed in the Theater Manager. Click on a checkbox to activate this setting. Create auto booking for every operation allows the user to create a booking on a diary as soon as the patient details and operation info is completed in the Theater Manager for a specific booking type. For an extensive explanation of booking types, please refer to the Booking Type Setup user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a Create Auto Booking for every operation drop-down menu to select an option from the list that has become available. Please note that the list that will become available will be dependent on the booking types that have been set up at the practice. Display booking status color and information icons on operation will display the booking icons available for the operation and the color that was selected for the chosen booking status. Click on the checkbox to activate the setting. Additional forms to link to operation will allow the user to add forms to link to the operation every time a theater booking is made. Click on the Add drop-down menu to select an option from the list that has become available. Please note that the list that will appear will be dependent on the forms that have been set up for the practice. For more information on how to set up the forms, please refer to the Workflow Event Templates user manual linked in this video's description. The selected form will be added to the forms list. More than one form can be selected to be added to the list. The information on the list will be divided into columns. Type is the kind of form that is linked to the theater booking. Description is an explanation of what the form is used for. Actions is the type of actions available on the line. Click on the red trash can to delete the form from the list. Click and drag the sorting arrows up or down to move the desired form and drop it into the new place on the list. This allows the user to order the list according to their preferences. When the form is dropped into the desired place, the user will see the form in its new location on the list. Click on the Close button to exit the settings screen without saving and return to the main diary screen. Click on the Save button to save the new settings. The screen will close and return to the main diary screen.